Your Pocketalk has 3 easy ways to choose languages. One way is to select on the home screen. Simply tap the language name. Press the mic button here and say the language you want. For example, Spanish. Or if you're unsure of the person's language, simply choose the right flag. Then hold down the talk button while speaking. Release and it'll translate.
No permitas que las barreras del idioma frenen tu negocio.
Don't let language barriers hold you back in your business.
Change the direction by tapping here or clicking the arrow here. To save translation history, go to Menu, Settings, Save History. To view this history, swipe down on the semi-transparent tab at the top of the home screen. To favorite, swipe right. To remove, left. Adding translations to favorites gives you quick access to commonly used phrases.